One of the worst decisions that I've taken in my Amazon FBA business is spending at least half the year, every single year, traveling around the world. And I'm going to tell you why it's costing me a lot of money, it's costing me a lot of growth. On the other hand, one of the best decisions that I've made in my Amazon FBA business is traveling the world at least 6 months at a time, every single year, right? And we're going to unpack all that in today's video because, as you can see, today I'm in Paris, right? I'm leaving tomorrow. I'm going to Rome tomorrow. Traveling a lot this next month, but it is costing me a lot of growth. And at the same time, it has allowed me to grow my business like crazy as well. Because everything is not all black or white, right? We are going to unpack all that. We're going to unpack all that today, okay? As you know, and if you don't know me, by the way, my name is Chris Mangunza. Okay, I've been selling on Amazon for a little time right now, right? And just yesterday, let me check my sales. I'm going to tell you. Yesterday I traveled from Miami to Paris, and yesterday I sold, let me hide the product, but I sold, let me just turn that around. Yesterday I sold $1,700, which is not actually good for me. I'm actually pissed, and I'm going to tell you all about that right now because my business is going through a lot of stuff. But as I said, doing this and actually traveling all around the world at least 6 months a year is costing me a lot in my business because I'm not able to do the same thing over and over again. I always need to switch up my business. So working with a prep center, then prepping myself to take advantage of other products, and going back to working with a prep center, sourcing other products. I cannot milk an opportunity all the way like I wish I would be able to do, right? And that's the big thing that is costing me a lot of growth, because if I was back in Miami, I was back in Miami for 3 months, almost 3 months. And I had so many products, so many great products that I could sell, that I could prep myself, that I cannot send to the prep center. And now I'm back to traveling, and I need to be flexible and look at other products and buy other products that are not the same, right? And so it feels like I'm starting from zero every single time again. And when I'm in Miami, I'm still working with the prep center, not as much, but I'm taking advantage of a lot of products I cannot send to the prep center for a lot of reasons, right? The reason why, on the other hand, it has helped me a lot to actually travel around the world like I'm doing right now is because I need to be flexible. I need to actually be able to constantly reinvent myself, reinvent my business, look at different products, switch the way I actually do things. And because of that, just because of this simple reason, I'm actually, it caused me to actually grow a lot. The reason why is because I have to constantly find different ways to actually be able to make money with my business, find different products. I cannot rely on an opportunity. I cannot rely on an opportunity, just one opportunity to run my business. I need to constantly switch it up. But the craziest thing is that literally just before I left, I spent like $5,000 in just one product that I actually found for the first time in June 1 year and a half ago, and I actually started traveling 1 year and a half, 2 years ago. I don't remember exactly. It was June 2023, I believe. And the same exact product that I was buying at that time, I was able to buy actually before I left. And so this is why it's actually great for me. It's actually great. And let me ask, wait, tu veux aller à l'intérieur là? Tu regardes les prix là, regarde les prix là. Je viens après, je finis. And so, yeah, sorry for that little interruption. But yeah, so literally, this is what helped me a lot. Because I need to stay flexible, right? I need to be flexible at all time. And I was literally able to buy this product that I bought like 1 year and a half ago and spent a lot of money in. But I'm always need to be on my toes, all right? I always need to be on my toes and be able to switch up the way I do my business. I need to be flexible. I need to be able to what's the exact word? I just need to be able to switch on another opportunity really, really fast. And that's what other people, when you do Amazon FBA, you absolutely need to do that because products are going to tank anyway. I just need to be able to do it at another level, right? Literally, than you are. And all these minor problems that a lot of guys actually run into, and because of these problems they actually give up on their business, like they don't do anything for me, right? Because like I'm used to actually having to switch, having to pivot. Here's the right word. I'm used to having to pivot in between different business opportunities, right? Just with the Amazon business. So it does not cause me a lot of troubles, all right? And pour moi, okay. My wife just bought something to drink and not nothing for me. That's crazy. That's crazy. C'est combien? 1,70? It's 150. Yeah, good one. Yeah. This is why I work, so I can buy like fucking bottle of waters for $1.50. But yeah, but as you can see, we're in Paris right now, leaving tomorrow for Belgium and then for Rome. So yeah, that's the business. That's how I switch on my business, and that's how it has helped me a lot. All right, I'll see you tomorrow for a new video.